I hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a better day than Richard Hart's having. Okay, or Richard Schuler. So, litigation releases. So, this is the Securities and Exchange Commission's website. So, this has been released today, like an hour or two ago, I think. So, SEC charges Hex founder Richard Hart with misappropriating millions of dollars of investor funds from unregistered crypto asset securities offerings that raised more than $1 billion. The Securities and Exchange Commission today charged Richard Hart, aka Richard Schuler, that's his real name, and three unincorporated entities that he controls, Hex, Pulse Chain, and PulseX, with conducting unregistered offerings of crypto asset securities that raise more than $1 billion in crypto assets from investors. Okay, so the SEC has also charged Hart and Pulse Chain with fraud for misappropriating at least $12 million of offering proceeds to purchase luxury goods. Okay, we know about them luxury goods, don't we? He's always on about them, showing them off. Okay, so that includes sports cars, watches, Rolex ones, of course, and a 555 carat black diamond known as the Enigma. Reportedly, the largest black diamond in the world. And he liked showing that off as well, didn't he? According to the SEC's complaint, Hart began marketing Hex in 2018, claiming it was the first high-yield blockchain certificate of deposit, he loved banging on about that, and began promoting Hex tokens as an investment designed to make people rich. From at least December 2019 through November 2020, Hart and Hex allegedly offered and sold Hex tokens in an unregistered offering, collecting more than 2.3 million Ethereum, including through so-called recycling transactions that enabled Hart to surreptitiously gain control of more Hex tokens. The complaint also alleges that between at least July 2021 and March 22, Hart orchestrated two additional unregistered crypto asset security offerings that each raised hundreds of millions of dollars more in crypto assets. As alleged, those funds were intended to support development of a supposed crypto asset network, Pulse Chain, and a claimed crypto asset trading platform, PulseX. Through the offerings of their native tokens, respectively PLS and PLSX, Hart also allegedly designed and marketed a so-called staking feature for Hex tokens, which he claimed would deliver returns as high as 38%. The complaint further alleges that Hart attempted to evade securities laws by calling on investors to sacrifice, instead of invest, so their crypto assets in exchange for PLS and PLSX tokens. So this is a sort of standard kind of scam thing. So effectively, you're not investing, you're sacrificing. So in other words, they're sort of saying you could lose your money anytime. Okay, effectively you're kind of just giving your money over to us, and what happens to it? Well, it's just luck. Okay, okay. The SEC's complaint, filed in U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of New York, alleges that Hart, Hex, Pulse Chain, and PulseX violated the registration provisions of Section 5 of the Securities Act 1993. Complaint also alleges that Hart and Pulse Chain violated the anti-fraud provisions of the federal securities laws. The complaint seeks injunctive relief, disgorgement of ill-gotten gains, plus prejudgment interest, penalties, and other equitable relief. Okay, blah, 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 da, 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 da. Okay, so, and also there's a press release as well, which says the same thing pretty much. Okay, yeah, so there we have it. So it's finally happened. I knew this day would come. Bound to. He's a shady character for sure, and he banned me from his Twitter account, so there we go. Justice.